Hey, today we're talking about 3 easy steps to make money in your business faster. Who doesn't want that? Let's not keep the process slow. Let's speed it up so that things are easy, you have quick wins, and every day you wake up feeling like, yes, my business is growing. I feel good about it. Feels pretty zen, like Zen money, right? That's what we all want. If it's your first time here, I'm Dr. Amanda, the host of Max Potential Money. This is your place to come each and every week for tips and tricks to help you optimize your energy, your mindset, your habits, so that you can make more money in your business feeling good about it and feeling aligned with this air of like, yes, I love business building. It's fun for me. Instead of creating a prison out of your business and this place of stuckness and worry and fear. So that's what we're going to talk about today. 3 easy steps to make money in your business faster. Remember to click on the bell so that you get notifications about all new video releases. Give this video a like if you are enjoying what you're learning. Subscribe to the channel, share it with friends so we can build a community of NFA awesome entrepreneurs who are driven to have businesses they love and share that with the world. One of my favorite mantras or mottos is work less, make more, have fun. Work less, make more, have fun. Work less, make more, have fun. That's what I want for you. So let's dive in. All right. Number one thing I want you to do is have a morning routine. Let's break this down. I have people ask me all the time, what's your morning routine to get you aligned? And I think that the reason they're asking this is that they don't have anything going on in their routine. A lot of people get up and they just kind of willy-nilly do whatever. And scattered energy leads to scattered results. Scattered focus leads to scattered results. And the less focused you are, the less money you'll make because you're sending out this frequency of uncertainty, right? Like when people don't get up in the morning on purpose and don't know what they're doing, they let their day define them instead of them defining their day. And I want you to implement max potential habits that help you be aligned for success. So what a daily routine does is it helps you get centered, get grounded, get aligned, feel in a state of joy and flow so that then the rest of your day is 10 times easier and you're not feeling like you're just playing catch up all day long. So I really notice it when I don't start out my day with my morning routine, and I schedule for the most part, unless there's podcast interviews or something that it doesn't work well to not schedule something too early. I like to schedule my morning blocked out to where I have time for a lengthy morning routine because then the rest of my day flows really beautifully. So here's what I include in my daily routine, in my morning routine. I do exercise, I do meditation, I do journaling, and I do personal growth and development reading. Now, sometimes if I don't have the time for all of those things because of an appointment, I will then shift some of those. Like sometimes I'll drop the exercise and instead I'll just do the reading and the meditating. And all 4 of those are generally what I like to do in my morning routine. And that is when I have the most optimized day. Am I 100% at this? No. And I don't want you to ever think you need to be. I hear people tell me all the time, they're like, oh, Amanda, like, you know, we always think you have this perfect thing going on. It's like, no, I'm human. I definitely have days where this doesn't happen, yet I strive for 90-ish% of my work days to be started with my morning routine because I feel better. I'm more aligned. It makes my workflow easier. So I'm always going to teach you the optimal state, and you're going to strive for that. And you're going to take pivots in your daily routine right now that you have. Let's say you don't have one at all. Start with one of these things. Go, okay, I'm going to get up 20 minutes earlier and I'm going to start my day with journaling. So I think I said that. Did I say meditate? Did I say journaling? so do exercise, meditation, journaling, personal growth and development, right? Like that's my morning routine. Okay. So journaling could look like you writing out gratitude and tapping into the gratitude. It could look like you writing out your block schedule for the day and you going like, oh, what are my 3 to 5 top high price? This is hilarious. I'm fumbling over my words today. What are my 3 to 5 highest priority action steps that I'm taking today to build momentum in my business? Okay, that could be what's in your journal that morning. It could be that you are writing out some stuck points and getting clear on what they are to raise them to your conscious awareness so that you can move through them more quickly. Could be that you're writing down something that you read about that day in your personal growth and development. I use a variety of all these things depending on the day. Some days I write out my scripting, which we talked about in last week's episode, where I'm writing out like, oh, this is what's going on in my life as a future projection, and I'm tapping into it for the law of attraction. So there's a wide variety of things you can do. Just get started with the morning routine, okay? Be moving your body with physical exercise on a regular basis. That's a powerful energy shifter. Meditation is something that all great masters and successful people do. Journaling, absolutely. I think of my journal as my Bible of myself. And personal growth and development is essential to be saturating your brain with high vibe thoughts so that you can be just training your brain in the direction of your success. Okay, so that's a powerful morning routine. Get aligned, that's your intention, and that's what you're focused on. Number 2, I want you to look for easy ways to make money. So in this 3 easy steps to make money in your business faster, I want you to look for easy ways to make money. Don't overcomplicate things. I see so many entrepreneurs, myself included, when I started, I made things so complicated. It was like, I thought it had to be complicated to make money. And this was due to my money block. You know, money is hard to make, or money causes stress. So I was like, oh, money's hard to make. It's got to be complex and challenging because, like, you know, how are these people doing it? It's got to be a puzzle because I'm stuck not making a lot of money. And really, that's not true. The people who make the most money have the easiest path to success. They do what they love. They let what they know grow. They tap into networks they already have. They don't overcomplicate things and try to do something that's completely out of their zone of genius at the moment. Or out of their realm of understanding. Like, you don't want to start a business and try to do something that you don't understand at all, right? And try is the optimal, the key word there. You're going to be trying and feeling like you're facing an uphill battle because you're overcomplicating it. So I want you to think, what's my simplest path to cash? And how can I make my money making easy, simple? Simplify your programs, simplify your systems, simplify who you're talking to, simplify the ways you're talking to people. Make it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Many multi-millionaires have very simple business models and very simple ideas that just resonate with the people that they're talking to because they're providing solutions. So think and ask yourself, where am I looking for easy ways to make money? Am I overcomplicating it? And where can I simplify? And then in number 3, get rid of shiny object syndrome. This is much easier said than done because I know most entrepreneurs, usually the reason this happens is that they go like, I'm trying something and it's not working, and they give up, and then they start something new. Oh, I'm going to try this, and then they give up and start something new. And what happens is they never build momentum in a direction because they're giving up right before they're successful, or they're just giving up too soon. And then they start over, and starting over causes a lot of slowness and resistance in your money making. So you want to be decisive and then eliminate shiny object syndrome by focusing on the one thing and getting really hyper intentional about what you're doing until you build it to the 6-figure level, and then you can branch out. Right? So get an idea that you love. You're looking for easy ways to make money. You're optimizing yourself in the morning and getting yourself set up like a business owner and a powerhouse. You're going like, okay, what does a powerful business owner do in the morning? They optimize through a morning routine. They get clear on what they're doing for the day. Then they look for easy ways to make money. They take action on it, and they stay hyper focused. They don't get distracted by 50 things in the day. They don't let people come in and distract them. They don't take personal phone calls in the middle of the day and they'll just chat for 2 hours. That's not business. You got to be a business owner, and you got to focus and hyper focus and take action into direction if you want to make more money faster, right? Don't let yourself get scattered. Don't let yourself have scattered energy. Eliminate shiny object syndrome and really focus on what it is you want to create, which is, to me, wealth and freedom through building a business I love, living in my zone of genius. Now, these are the habits that I'm giving you today that will really help you build success. I've practiced them. I've implemented them. I'm not perfect at them, and I get better and better at it as I go. So I want to give you the seeds to start creating this so that your money making is easier and easier over time. All right, that's what I've got for you today. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, turn on that bell notification, share it with friends, and I'll be back next time with more awesome money-making tips for you. And money-making high fives. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Max Potential Money. If you're ready to break through to the next level of income, go to nfamoneymakerlab.com to join the private NFA Facebook group where you'll get weekly money mindset and practical manifestation tips, plus a free 30-day mini course called 30 Money Making Secrets. Again, that's nfamoneymakerlab.com. I look forward to seeing you there.